Paw Patrol, Marshall and Skye. It's the day of Adventure Bay's big balloon race. Ryder will help Mayor Goodway fly her balloon. The pups get the balloon ready. Marshall checks the air tanks. Rocky patches a hole. Oh no! Mayor Goodway's balloon accidentally lifts off. Marshall tries to stop it and gets pulled along for a ride. Skye soars to the rescue. "This pup's gotta fly," she says. Nice catch, Ryder. Now the team must help the mayor. Skye gives Ryder a lift. She carries him to the runaway balloon. Ryder helps the mayor pilot the balloon. The mayor wins the race. She gives her trophy to the Paw Patrol. "Thanks," says Ryder. "Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help." Thanks for spending some time with me reading this book. I'll see you again soon. Bye.